Guys, would you mind telling us a little bit about the journey of structuring an org chart for an accounting firm and what it looks like and how it takes shape?
Yeah, I can probably start, but before we go into that, I think it's really important to understand that the people in this session here are the leaders in the organisation, and they're made up of the owners and also the client managers and all potential client managers coming through. And there's an African proverb that says that if you want to go fast, you go by yourself, but if you want to go far, you've got to bring your team with you. Now, the problem is that when we went to uni and we did accounting, we were taught to do the work, but we were never taught how to manage people. Right. But the success in the business is not in doing the work, because with all due respects, that's the minimum you're expected to do. But the success in your business is how you manage people, how you manage your clients' expectations, how you manage your teams, because a person, accountant under manager A can do really well and be very productive, but under manager B can do very poorly. It's the same accountant, the same person, but under different management does well and does poorly. And the success of the business, and therefore the success of every person in that organisation, depends on how it's managed right from the top down. So that's why we spend a lot of time with the owners, but also with the leaders in the organisation, and that includes the client managers. So just to put some context around why we hold two sessions, one for the owners and one for the client managers, is because these people are the ones that can make a significant difference and a significant change to the organisation. Without, I mean, the other accountants, the employees there can't make any change.
Okay. Yeah. Jamie, anything to add to that?
No, not really.
Yeah. So unless the people at the top knows what to do and how to do it, then it's very difficult to change. And it's taken me close to 30 years to get all this together. And after making lots and lots of mistakes and going through lots and lots of pain, if you like. And so the good thing about today or now is that we can pass a lot of that information across. And if your business is only as good as the people that are in it. So there's a difference between, as I always say, working in your P&L or working in your balance sheet. Working in your balance sheet is investing into your people and understanding how to manage them and understanding the buttons to press with them to get them the best productivity from them. And if you do that, if you invest in your people, then they'll pay you a dividend. And the only reason why I have the lifestyle I have today is because of that investment in my people, and hence the context behind this session today.
Okay, very good. So Jamie, touch on that for me, because you've gone through this journey as a senior client manager yourself, and you've got a number of senior client managers in your business. So tell me how the org chart has really helped you guys focus on the importance of, working in a flow and working in your roles within the organisation, and within specifically, we're going to touch on the production division here today.
Yeah, well, I think it's important to take a helicopter view for everyone watching, and hopefully you can see there we can send this around. But you've got these various divisions, and at the start there from the left, you've got Division 1 and right through to Division 7. So this is a really high-level view, one of the first things that Ed takes you through. But the focus for today is really in Division 4, which is that production division, and Division 3, which is really sales. So you go from this helicopter view of the 7 divisions, and then you focus in the heart which is Division 4, which is the production team, and then also there's the sales team as well, which is Division 3. So what happens is, when you start working with Ed, and over the years, a lot of accounting firms get really stuck in this Division 4 and Division 3 with production and sales. So what happens is, in an accounting firm, there's just so much traffic. There's emails, there's phone calls, there's appointments, there's interviews. And if you can really get the production team sorted and organise the traffic flow, then it's a massive step towards overcoming the barriers to growth. So that's really the focus that we worked on, and a lot of firms get stuck at, and Ed can probably expand on that. But it's fine to keep pouring new clients into a firm, but it's not if you don't have the capacity or don't have the team to deal with all the clients, Brenton.
Okay, so that's where